calibration van here, and you will see it displayed outside as well. So instead of the customers coming to us for calibration activities, which are very important, as you understand, for running any plant in operation, we are going to the customer doorstep today. We are going to our customers for servicing their equipment. So it's a very great moment for us. We are one of the first who has this kind of a scope within the calibration van, and you will see it yourself. It is very exhaustive, and we can provide great service all across most of the south part of India. This is the first launch that we are going to do. Beyond this launch, the plan is that we will replicate the same after the success of this first vehicle that you see, and then we will do it in other parts of the country. As you would know, that WIKA has been in existence for more than 75 years, so it is a leader in pressure, temperature, in instrumentation all across the world. We have more than 43 subsidiaries across the world with our presence all around the globe. So it is a big, corporation across the world, and we have our presence worldwide. And this is not the only location where we have this. We have today more than 7 of these vehicles which are going to start across the world as an initiative, and in India as well. So this is one location. This is one of the first which you will see, but otherwise there are other vehicles also which we are launching in other parts of the world for calibration activities.
25 years old. As far as the Indian operations are concerned, this company started in India in 1997. So almost 25 years, this company is in existence and has got a very solid foundation in the Indian industry. The local market knows us as a leader for products, especially. And over the last 10-15 years, we could successfully establish this company into temperature measurement, level measurement, flow measurement, and force measurement. So one of the specialty of our company and our product is that our products do not really need repair per se. Very good quality. So what we are focusing in this particular service is not repairing of the products, but recalibration of the products. As you know, in the industry, it is a norm that after instrument is put in use after 1 year or 1.5 years, so you have to recalibrate, check the instrument for its rating. So this particular service is for checking the accuracy of the instrument. In layman's language, what service we are providing is rechecking the readings, the accuracy of this particular instrument. So this particular van will, customers don't have to spend that time and take out the instrument and stop the process. Typically a customer would like to, if he wants to do the calibration, he will have to stop the process. He has to take out the instrument, go to the third party calibration. They take 1 week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks. The advantage what we are going to offer is that the van will stand in the customer's doorstep. They can take the instrument the same day or same hour and put it back in the service. So it's a great saving. So this reduces the shutdown of the plant. So as we all know, if you shut down any plant, you have loss of revenues. You can imagine a petrochemical plant. If you are to stop a process or a line for even 1 hour, it leads to loss of crores of rupees. So when we offer this type of services, you don't have to stop the process, or if you have to stop, you stop it for a very, very small amount of time. The losses are reduced. So the uptime is very much high. The plant will keep on running without any issues. That is the intention of providing this particular service. This is all I want to say regarding this particular calibration.
With regard to calibration, we have a flow calibration lab in our plant and operations in Faridabad. We have calibration facility, temperature.
Chennai lab irukku, Ghaziabad near Delhi, Faridabad lab irukku, Pune la irukku. So ipo Baroda la plan பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So all over India cover பண்ணுவோம்.
எத்தனை கிளைகள் வைக்கலாம்னு பிளான் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? எத்தனை
branches ipo 5 branches irukku. So we are planning to extend it.
7 vehicles before introducing this concept.
7 vehicles presently is a concept set.
Now, as Mr. Gaurav mentioned, we have done a detailed survey, and the response what we got from our valued customers was really very good. Because as you heard from him, that it is a doorstep service. It is a service which is at convenience. Okay, especially if you see pharmaceutical plants, getting the equipment out of the plant for calibration has lot of procedures. Okay, so with this, getting the equipment out of the gate actually, if you can get the van inside the plant and you can recalibrate or rearrange or do all the services there, it it is really very great and it's a boon for any customer. So this is for the pharmaceutical, but if you say fertilizer, chemical, automobile sector, all these customers are really they have given a very good feedback, overwhelming feedback for this convenience of their services.
Very high quality reliability. And we as an innovative company would like to be one of the first to give our customers the best possible service. So that is also a very important part of how we do business.
In addition to best cost service, any cost effective to the
Imagine a petrochemical complex, refineries, simple example. You have the Manali refinery, CPCL here. So this refinery has got thousands of instruments. So they have thousands and thousands of pressure transmitter, pressure gauges, RTDs, and other electrical equipment. So now, just Manali is still a very small plant comparatively. So if you go to Reliance, Anilam, so Dhirubhai Ambani's plant or Mukesh Ambani's plant in Jamnagar, that is spread across 40 square kilometers. It's a huge plant. Okay, so imagine that you want to calibrate instruments in such a wide area. So Reliance bought one calibration van done from WIKA only for using within their premises. So you can imagine they have invested only a dedicated van for themselves for one complex. So that means they really saw a lot of saving, taking out instrument, giving it outside. The logistic is a very big cost, as you all know. So today logistic is a big issue worldwide. So taking out the instrument, now Indian labor also not cheap. We used to always think that India labor is very cheap. You can take people, hire people, and do whatever thing you want to do from them. But Indian labor also is costly, and this is a skillful job. It involves skill. Taking out instrument is a skill. Putting back the instrument back on the process is a skill. If you do it wrongly, you have losses and the process fails. And the risk, especially in the petrochemical complex where there is a hazard of fire or explosion, then you cannot afford to have any cheap labor. You have to do it with a lot of care. So this type of service is a great help to this type of industry. So taking out and time spending and the logistic cost to take the instrument, put it in proper packing, send it to a third party outside. They are going to unpack it. Then after calibration, again it should repack. Again it is coming to the factory premises. Again logistic, GRN, unpacking and handling issues. So the big advantage is saving in the handling, saving in the logistic cost, and the reduction in the risk of each one item getting handled 10, 20 times. So this is, if you really go and see per se, you may not see, but if you do really calibration from the taking the instrument and putting it back on the process, it's a huge saving to the customer, for sure.